All right, so welcome back, guys, for same video, part two. In this video, my plan is to show you the tear down of the Chicago Electric 100-watt soldering gun and maybe show you the kind of inside mechanism. But yeah, let's get started. Looks like it uses this star shape. Hopefully it'll kind of capture it. But yeah, this is the right bit it uses, and let's see. Yeah, simple, straightforward, only 4 screws. Let's open this puppy. All right, that looks pretty cool. So I see what it does. I don't know if you guys know the principle of how the microwave works and how you can use a transformer. I've seen some videos where people use the microwave transformer for welding, or at least generate some very high amps with a very low voltage. I see this is the principle this soldering gun is using compared to this one, because this one has like a little heating element with a tiny thin wires that goes around to this long metal piece that heats the corner piece, which is why it takes longer, because this heats up very slow pace. Now this one literally like a transformer, and that's why this thick copper wire basically yeah, it's on very low volt but a very high amp. I don't know how many amp it is, but it could be, I don't know, 500 amps or 400 amps. And that is why when these thing touches here, it heats up so quick, which makes sense. So yeah, that's a very cool concept, which I kind of like. When you're doing a soldering, you don't want to wait like 10 minutes before something heats up. It just kind of delays your project. Something can be quick as one quick connection, but this thing, this one takes a long time. But yeah, I think it's been, I would say, good 7-8 minutes, 10 minutes. So let's see how much is the temperature with my Black & Decker. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, 235. I know, normally, again, don't go by the laser. Sometimes this laser kind of confusing because the sensor is right below. So hope you guys kind of know that. But yeah, let's see. So 190, 203. Now I'm going to do the bit here. 290. Yeah, 298. There you go, 300. Yeah, I would take 300. That's a pretty closest I got. There you go, 300. So yeah, 303 or 300 to say as an average, or the max this 30 watt will go. Now the other one is rated 1000 watt. So yeah, let's plug it in and we will see. I'm gonna unplug this one since we don't need this one, so it can cool down. Oops, there we go. All right. So yeah, let's remove this quick zippy tie. Alrighty, let's see. I guess I'm gonna plug in here so you can also see as it's using the power consumption. But yeah, I think that's looking good. Let's move this little aside. All right. Let's see. Is that thing is heating up? Which I don't expect this thing to heat up. Nope. Now let's see here. Yeah, I'm sure because it's so hard to capture this little point. Let's see. It's definitely not 120. I can tell you that. So this thing is smoking. This is definitely not 120. So yeah, it looks like I'm not able to capture the heat. Yeah, be careful because I think I just got a little yeah, I should have mentioned don't, don't do the way I'm doing because I just felt a little bit, slizzling on my finger. So it was not a bad shock because I think it was coming through the transformer. So be very careful when you do that. But yeah, let's see. Keep my fingers away. Nope, I cannot capture. I mean, you can clearly see, trying my best. See, 100, 137, 150. Nope, no luck. 200. Nope, I cannot, capture the exact the heat temperature for this one. But yeah, it's hot. I mean, you guys can clearly see. And maybe I can get a quick, like a small wire, so I can show you how well it's even soldering it. Let's see if I can get something quick enough here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, this is a pretty thick wire. I would say, I don't know, like 15 gauge, 13, 15 or 16 gauge wire. It's pretty thick. But yeah, let's try to, well, I guess how I'm going to do with one hand will be my question. Let's see. Let's see if I can try to do with one hand here. And we're going to see how well it kind of, does it, how quick it is to do its job. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is way more quick than the other one. I mean, you guys can clearly see this was very quick, very fast. It literally made this whole wire, all the coated with a solder. So yeah, I think, again, the only thing I'm disappointed at this point is why is it not using 100 watt? That would be my main concern. I do not know why. It's rated for 100 watt and 1000 Fahrenheit temperature. But yeah, I do not know why. But yeah, this is what you guys get. I do think it's doing really good compared to this one as far as the time, how quick it heats up, and how fast it works. So, but yeah, I think I like it so far. I really like it, especially for what I spent. I mean, say it's going to 50 volt, now 44, 43, 42. Or maybe I guess when you're heating up more thicker wire, it might uses more. I don't know. Yeah, see 47 as soon as I touch it, as it needs more heat. But yeah, guys, with that being said, I think I want to end this video. That's all I wanted to kind of show. Unboxing, comparison, and tear down. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you have any question or concern, or I would say if you guys want to watch something else that's something similar, that may interest you, let me know in a comment section. I would be happy to post more, post more videos. So yeah, we can help each other. But anyway, thank you guys, and stay tuned. We'll be coming back with the next video. Thank you so much, and have a great day.